iOS 6 includes many new improvements, including improvements in Siri, such as sports scores, improvements in maps, including 3D flyover, turn-by-turn navigation with voice as well, Passbook, a place for all of your passes and needs, and panorama mode for your camera. Okay, assuming that you have iOS 5, the iOS 6 upgrade is going to be very simple for you. There are two ways to do this, and one is the same way as you have all the times in the past. It would be to plug it into iTunes and hit update. Pretty simple, right? But sometimes that restores the iPhone as well, so just to be safe, I would still plug it in, sync it, and back it up and transfer purchases. And so now to make sure you have iOS 5 or higher, which will make it easier to upgrade, to make sure you can do this one, you have to go into settings and scroll down to where it says general. And then if you have an iPhone 4S, obviously you're going to have iOS 5. Well, not obviously, but you will. And if you see software update right here, or you can also go into about, and let's see, it's going to show right here version 5.1. If you have, it shows right there 5.19b17. okay, if you have 5.0, 5.1, or 5.1.1, this is going to be a very easy upgrade for you. So basically, from the home screen, you are going to need to go to settings, general, software update, and then it'll check for an update. Now granted, please note that it is a good idea to plug in to a charger and also connect to a Wi-Fi network, as I have. iOS 6, and as you can see, it says this update contains over 200 new features, including the all-new Apple designed maps, Siri features, Facebook integration, shared photo streams, Passbook, and more. Now you can learn more to view all of these new features, or if you stay tuned, you'll see I'm going to do how-tos on these new features. So now it's pretty simple. You just hit install now, and then their terms and conditions show up, and you hit agree, and then it says installing. Now 1 second, I'm going to go. So it is currently downloading the update and doing all that stuff. So I'm going to speed it up. This takes place over the course of about 20 minutes. Hello there. That took about 20 minutes. As you can see, here's the iOS 6 setup. So we're just going to slide it and then hit continue. You're going to have to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and not necessarily if you have an iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and enable my location services, and then hit next, and then now you're going to have to enter your Apple ID or password, and if you don't have one, just click somewhere on the screen right now, right around my fingers or something, or down over by the logo would be also a good place, because I have a video on how to set up an Apple ID account. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And so now it says updating. Now it says start using iPhone. Now you just hit that, and then you're on your home screen. 1 second, please. Let's see. So you do have all your apps still from the previous, and all your contacts and photos and all that stuff. And so here we go. Yeah, here's Passbook. It's one of the new features. Stay tuned for all my new videos. We'll have how to use the new features in iOS 6. As you can see, there's a new page with weather and then all your other apps. Thank you. This has been iOS 8 Made Easy. How to update your iPhone or iPod Touch or iPad to iOS 6.